To avoid serious blocked drains across our housing, we have created a simple guide. It's important to remember only to flush the 3 P's down the toilet. P. Poo. Toilet paper. You should never flush the following down the toilet: wipes, nappies, liners, tampons, condoms, cotton buds or cotton balls, contact lenses, plasters or bandages. You should also never pour the following down the sink: oil, soup, sauces, milk products, peelings or leftover food. If you follow this simple guidance, you will help to avoid your toilet or sink from blocking. We hope you found this guide helpful.